Kihe ka election commission kari kilapan bana hagilal pathai kubor ha Vigyan Bhavan ha New Delhi. Ha ka ba kilapan tip ba ki election Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre an penlong ha ka khalai Tarik Naiwieng ba de kejing yo vote an penlong ha ka arpulai Tarik Naiwieng. Kihe ka election commission kilapan banaru bakandon ki election sekiang dorbar tauan ki jela Maharashtra ha ka arpu Tarik Naiwieng. Bar hajarkan kan long ha ki art liwat. Kawat ka beningkong kan long ha ka khalai Tarik Naiwieng bat kawat ka baar kan long ha ka arpu Tarik Naiwieng. Bat gajing nyaw iki vote kan long ha ka arpulai Tarik Naiwieng. La bandong ba gajing penlong iki election Shiteng Samoi ha Gambegre kadai hadian bau saleng sangma uban seng kongres. Ula eno eka kam MLA hadian bula job iki election MP Shagalok Sabha Nakatura constituency. Na kebentak election ha Gambegre gajing penmi eka notification kan long na do kakat pratrik urisau ko pandai gajing sedang ya gajing tap kerteng daki kertong. Bat katarik bankot gajing tap kerteng kan long ka arp santrik urisau. Kajing kimi benia aki kot kisla jong ki kertong kan long hak arpu pratrik urisau kasni ka baki kertong gila ban weng kerteng yala dia na kajing yakun kan long hak lai putrik urisau ban hak khalai Tarik Naiwieng kan kasni tap vote ba kajing yo vote la ban kan mau biang bagan long hak arpu lai Tarik Naiwieng.
Issue of Gazette notification is 18th October 2024 on Friday. Last date of making nomination will be on 25th October 2024 on Friday. Date for scrutiny of nomination is 28th October, Monday, and last date for withdrawal of candidature is 30th October 2024. The poll will held on 13th November 2024 on Wednesday. Date of counting of votes will be on the 23rd November 2024. We have in Gambegre Assembly constituency total 32,157 voters, out of which 16,333 are male voters and 15,824 are female voters. There are total 51 polling stations in the assembly area, and out of which 31 polling stations are critical, but there are no vulnerable polling stations. Election functionaries are fully prepared for conduct of free, fair, smooth election. As per Model Code of Conduct is concerned, it will be applicable in the concerned district where the assembly area falls. So it will be in the West Garo Hill district only. And all the security measures and peacekeeping measures will be ensured for conduct of free fair election in there.